Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to log into your email account on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. There are two ways to log into your email account on Bluehost. First, you can go to bluehost.titan.email, then fill in your email address. In my case, I have this email address, no reply at benstutorial.com. Click on next. After that, fill in your password and click on login. Enter a password recovery email. I'll do it later. And this is the first method to connect to your Bluehost, to your email account on Bluehost. This is a simple website address, bluehost.titan.email. Now let's go back to my account on Bluehost. And the second method to log into your email account on Bluehost is by going to email. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And the second method to log into your email account on Bluehost is by going to email. Then scroll down to email accounts. This is it. Click on it. Now click on these three dots next to your email address and click on access webmail. Same thing, you need to fill in your email address, click on next, and your password. If you don't remember your email address or your password, simply click on share login info. Here, enter an email address to send login info to. Let's send them to this Gmail address. Email with login info sent successfully to your address. And this is the email message that you will receive. Your email admin for your domain has sent you this email to set your password. Click below to set your password for this email address. Click on set your password. And you can enter your new password here, confirm it again, and click on set password. In my case, I don't do it because I don't want to modify or edit my password. So then, for sure, you need to enter here your new password and click on login. And this is how to log in to your Bluehost, to your email account on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.